Hello, my name is Katie Whitaker and I've been in my working placement for a long time, and I'm a student from Beaumont College, and the things I do here is I clean down tables, I take things out of tables, and then I clean down the tables, and then I go up and down the aisles with a trolley. and then when I feel like it's all filled up, that I take it to the kitchen, and then I come out with my other trolley, and then I get a cloth and a thing to spray onto the tables, and that is all of the jobs I had to do. So the things I love about being here is I like all of the staff, and I like seeing people, and I also love to get to know them and to make a conversation with them. So I'd like to say thank you to Beaumont College for organising this, and I have really enjoyed the whole experience. And it's the best placement I ever had.
Hi, so I'm Barry, I'm Katie's dad. Katie has Down syndrome and severe learning impairment. As far as we're concerned, Beaumont has provided Katie 4 years of superb experience and education. She's actually developed quite significantly in that time. We've had various achievements from drama and dance, cooking, catering experience, and the big achievement for us is she achieved a Duke of Edinburgh Gold with the college over a period of 2 years, for which went up to Holyrood Palace to meet the Prince last summer. Katie is a very gregarious young lady, but her confidence has been impacted down the years, and the college has worked very well with her to actually build the confidence and to give her those life skills that she wants to take forward. She has a view of moving towards independent living at some point in the future, and we'll continue to try and work with those skills and that confidence that she's built. So we'd like to thank the college for all the efforts and the personal touches that we've experienced. So during Katie's final year, we've been trying to achieve a number of work experiences for her, and we've managed to set up, with working closely with college, an opportunity to work in the Booths Cafe in Garsang, for which she's been fully provided with a uniform, enjoys the experience, and is always welcomed by the locals. A great experience for Katie, and I think a great all-round community activity facilitated by the college.